welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary of our beginners solo samba routine number 4. This was actually taught on 26th of April 22. It was a few days ago. I hadn't had a chance to record this. So let me make a little start. This is beginners, so nothing too complicated. We're going to start on our right foot and I'm going to do a forwards and back basic for 4. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do a 4 whisk section, and I gave you the option to turn under the arm, which would have normally been a follower's step on the 3rd one. So if you don't usually dance as a follower, you dance as a leader, and you wanted to leave that turn out, you're more than welcome to. So it's either 4 whisks, or it's with a turn. This is the one with the turn. Whisk, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And now, promenade walks. 1. On the right foot, heading towards the right wall. 1. Promenade walk. 1 stationary walk with the left foot. In place. And then a volta section moving round. Right foot in front of left. Voltas to the front. Let's do that whole section. This is section 1. It's leading with the right foot. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And promenade walk, stationary walk, voltas 2 and 3 and 4. That allows us to have our left foot available for section 2. There shouldn't be any weight on that left foot, well, a tiny little bit for balance, but our right foot has the weight on from the end of that volta. Let's look at the left foot now. Side basic, left, right, left, right. I'm going to do stationary walks in place. In place, drop back, in place, drop back, in place, drop back, in place, drop back. And the Botafogo goes 3 with the rhythm bounce at the end. 1, 2, 3, and bounce and bounce. Okay? That's section 2. Let's put the whole thing together. It's just a very short routine in our beginner's samba. Our beginner's classes, we're obviously not doing anything too complicated just yet. We're sticking to roughly the pre-bronze level. So if you're looking at these videos and you're doing medals with other teachers and you're just using my videos just as a little refresher or a little bit of something fun, this is aiming at a pre-bronze level. So let's go again. All right foot from the very beginning. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and whisk, whisk, whisk. I forgot the turn. Promenade walk. I'll say that was intentional, I was doing it without the turn on purpose. Side basic, side basic, side basic, side basic. Stationary walks in place, drop back, in place, drop back, place, drop back, place, drop back. Botafogo cross, arms if you wish. Here we go, here, and a rhythm bounce. Second time through, I'll put that turn in. So the last time was really for the leaders who don't necessarily need to do that turn. And now for the followers. Here we go. 1 and 2. 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 Voltas 2 and 3 and 4 and side. And 2, 3, 4, in place, drop back, in place, drop back, in place, drop back, place. Botafogo crosses, 1, 2, 3, and a rhythm bounce. There we go. Very short summary. Beginners solo samba practice routine number 4. Taught in the full lesson on the 26th of April 2022. If you're looking in my video library, that's where you need to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.